What is up, man? It's your boy Damn D POV, and we are back, man. Hey, I'm about to drop so many videos today. Turn on your notifications, okay? Turn on your notifications because y'all know I'm fresh out of YouTube jail. I got a lot of making up to do. I got a lot of videos I need to post. I need to talk about current events that are happening right now. I still got videos that I need to post from last week. You know, the whole Fat Joe, Ja Rule verses. I gotta talk about Britney. I gotta talk about Nicki Minaj. I'm about to be dropping so much videos. Look, this is what I need y'all to do right now, okay? Listen, you need to turn on those notifications, all right? Because we are about to, we are about to talk about, I'm about to show y'all Brothers Polight full hearing video, okay? Tasha K broke the news, and I'm going to show y'all the whole video footage, all right? But before we get to that, y'all got a listen, look. I'm over here working. I'm over here, bro. I already dropped 4 videos today. You have to turn on the notification bell. Look, right here where it says all, once you subscribe, okay? Let's say I'm a new subscriber. Oh, I like his channel. Oh, let me subscribe. You hit that subscribe button right there. Boom. Once you hit that subscribe button, click the bell and hit all. That way you will get all my notifications, okay? Anytime I drop a video, it's very important because I'm about to drop like 10 videos today. No cap, like seriously. And once you do that, go to my Damn DPOV, my backup channel, and go subscribe to that channel too, because YouTube's on my ass. All right, YouTube is out here trying to rock your boy Snapbot. So I need y'all to go turn on your notifications on this channel. Click the link down below. Follow my backup channel, and if we can get my channel, this new channel right here, up to 1,000 subscribers before Monday, I'm doing a $100 giveaway. I swear, on my dad, rest in peace, on my dad, I'm doing a $100 giveaway. If we can hit 100 subs, if we can hit 1,000 subs before Monday, which is in 2 days, if we can hit 1,000 subs in 2 days, I will do a $100 giveaway. We are already at 200. I know y'all can hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will post more videos on this channel as well. But let's get to this. FBI, come here. Hold on. FBI, come here. I am not working with anybody in any court system. I'm going to show you how y'all can look up this hearing of Polight. And I hope I don't get in trouble of this because this is just public information, okay? You can literally go to Google. Look at this. Hold on. I'm going to show y'all. Look, type in Google. Brother Polight hearing video. Boop. It's right there. All right. FBI, leave me alone. I am not working with nobody. It's all on YouTube already. Look, it is already posted on YouTube. So let's watch it. I just want to show y'all, show the FBI. I don't know nobody. I'm just getting this from the internet. Let's proceed. Here we go. Oh shit, hold on.
Yes, Judge, I did not file a motion. So what happened in this case, Your Honor, is that this is a media case. He was arrested for punishable by life crimes.
Yeah, here we go.
Have been held no bond.
Okay, so now they're talking about the bond. They're talking about the bond, that he should not have bond. Hold on, let me play that over again. Let me find a better video. Is this it right here? Shut up. So they're talking about his bonding charges.
Judge.
All right, what is this on for? It says motion to increase bond.
Yes, Judge, I did not file a motion. So what happened in this case, Your Honor, is that this is a media case. He was arrested.
Okay, there's an echo. Okay, why is there echo? Oh, because a girl. Okay, let's just watch this one. Sorry, y'all. All right, here we go.
Morning, Judge.
All right, what is this on for? It says motion to increase bond.
Yes, Judge, I did not file a motion. So what happened in this case, Your Honor, is that this is a media case. He was arrested for punishable by life crimes. He should have been held no bond. However, this is one of those charges where the PBL comes in at the very end of the charge, and I think the clerk's office made an error, allowed him to bond out prior to seeing a bond appearance or prior to going to bond hearing.
Tasha K said that. Tasha K said that there was an error. She is literally the GOAT. She said this like a couple weeks ago that there was an error in him getting a bond. And this hearing was yesterday. This hearing was yesterday, September the 17th. Tasha K said that like 2-3 weeks ago that there was an error. Tasha K's a GOAT.
Somehow I think he was given standard bond of $21,000, $10,000 on count 1 and count 2, and then $1,000 on count 3, Judge. My issue, Judge, is that there's no stay away order on the case yet. That's why Your Honor asked the defendant to be present. I also am very concerned that the defendant has been essentially terrorizing the victim. I mean, the victim's 14 years old.
Wow.
And, there's been a lot of
Since the arrest?
Since the arrest, Judge, he's been very communicative on, he's been very vocal on social media.
Wow.
There's been videos of the victim drugged.
You were trying to intimidate the witness? Allegedly? This is what the lawyer is saying. Hey, you cannot come at me, Mr. Brother Polight, because I'm just repeating the words that a lawyer is saying during y'all hearing. You're allegedly contacting the minor or contacting somebody, contacting the witness. Why are you doing that? Are you trying to intimidate them? Damn, Noah. Brother Polight, you're not so polite, are you?
By this defendant leaked online. Your Honor, on this case, we do have DNA showing that the defendant's sperm was on the victim's clothing.
Your Honor, may I ask why any of this is appropriate considering no motion has been filed?
Yeah, that's the thing. I don't like being ambushed with all of this. This is
nor do I, Your Honor. This is entirely inappropriate.
If in fact the state was seeking a motion for pretrial detention, they should have done it. I mean,
Well, Judge,
now as far as
I'm
the
not
stay away order is concerned, I can certainly do that, but I just can't go ahead with allegations from the state without giving notice to the defense. I mean, certainly I would hear it, but I can't do this in a vacuum like this. So the only thing that I know that this was reset for, which was advised to me the last time, is that the stay away order was not properly presented, and I'm ready and able to do that at this time.
Judge, you are the first appearance, Judge, regarding the information that was filed, Judge. He was charged with a total of 6 counts, Judge. And they're different. They're all different from the charges except for
Again,
one.
Your Honor, excuse me, I have to interrupt. This is entirely...
Hold on.
Mr.
Terrace, hold on. Let her finish. Just let her finish. I'll allow you to make your argument.
Shut up! Let her talk! Shut up! Shut up!
Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. He has been charged with 6 counts. One of them is the same, but there's 5 additional counts, Your Honor. So Your Honor does have to set bond on those counts. And then the stay away order has to be set. I will be filing a motion to increase bond. And I understand that Your Honor does not want to be ambushed. I will file that at a later time, but I did want to put the court on notice that with regards to the other bond amounts that need to be set, Judge.
All right.
So we definitely have to address bond.
Okay. Now, did you have a response, Mr. Torres? And then I will deal with the information.
Yes, Your Honor. We don't. There is no motion pending before the court. The state, no one. Our side certainly did not ask for a schedule bond. That was.
Yo, this is my first time ever seeing something like this. Hey, I am a regular citizen. I don't get in trouble. This is my first time like seeing this like ever in life. I've never seen this before. So this is very interesting. This is like, oh, so this is what they do in court. Forgive me for not being a hooligan out there and getting in trouble. Hey, I like to live a normal life, a jail-free life, a regular life where I don't have to go through this. So this is fascinating to me.
Was something that the state of Florida decided to place on this case. Those charges were higher charges, and they were downfiled. Doesn't matter that there was more charges that were listed on the information. These are downfiled charges. Mr. Nowak is out on constitutional bond. There's no motion pending before this court, and there's no need for Ms. Garcia to just ambush us with additional information that she feels the court and the media in her speak should hear. So we are entirely prepared to address a motion that's before us. Not another word needs to be said regarding a motion that's not pending before this court.
Because you don't want to get the information to us, huh? You don't want us to know. That's why she got dirt on you, doggy. She got dirt on you, doggy. Ah, you mad. You don't want her to talk, so we won't know the information. Ah, you think you slick.
We do and are prepared to address the no contact situation today.
Okay. Now, first things first. First thing I have is I have an information that's been given to me by the clerk that was filed on September 14th, which was 3 days ago. And again, I have many cases on my calendar. Has this defendant been arraigned on this information?
He has, Your
He
Honor.
has, Judge.
He has. Okay, so he has been arraigned, and I am looking at, there are a total of 6 counts. I, at this point, do not see that there are any non-bondable offenses. And there appears to be a second-degree felony for count 1, second-degree felony count 2, 3 is also second-degree, 4 second-degree, 5 is a first-degree misdemeanor, and 6 is a third-degree felony. So have all of the bonds been addressed at the time of the arraignment?
No, Judge.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, well, that's what we need to do as far as that is concerned. And I will... What was he out on previously? Let's just start with that.
He was out on count 1 and count 2 for $10,000 each, and then count 3 on the information was a misdemeanor, so that was $1,000. So right now he has a total of $21,000 bond.
Okay, so 1 and 2. So what was added in the information?
So the counts 1 through 4 are all second-degree felonies. Those were not on the information on the
Were not originally charged?
Correct.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Also, Judge, count 6 is interference of custody. That one also was not charged. Count 5 was charged as count number 3 on the arrest form. So that one should stay at $1,000.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
So then what was the original 10,000? If you're saying that 1 through 4 was not charged and then 6 was not charged, then what was the original charges where he got the two $10,000 and then $1,000?
So the original charges was count 1 was engaging in sexual activity with a child in familiar custodial authority. That was actually a PBL, but that charge, when it's input into the arrest form, it looks like an F1. So on that count, he was given $10,000.
The next one, 10,000.
2, it's sexual battery of a victim 12 to 17 years of age.
10,000.
That's an F1. That was another $10,000 bond.
And then $1,000.
And then count 3 is count 5 on the information.
I got that. I got that.
All right. So as it relates to the new information, the court is going to, on count 1, the defendant will be given a bond of $10,000. On count 2, defendant will be given a bond of $10,000. On count 3, defendant will be given a bond of $10,000. On count 4, defendant will be given a bond of $10,000.
God damn!
Count 5, that will be a $1,000.
Sheesh!
Count 6 will be $5,000 bond.
Hey, Mr. Polight, you said that you got $100,000 on the side for you to be petty to sue YouTubers. It look like that thousand. It looks like that $100,000 may be spent a little early. And it's not going to be on YouTubers.
All right, does corrections have that? Well, all right, clerks have that as well?
Yeah, I have it, Judge.
Okay. So he is going to need to post those additional amounts. If it was $21,000 originally, it's now going to be
46.
$46,000 additional bond.
Ooh, look at his face. Hey, I hope you got the money that you said that you got. Cause okay, so first it was 20,000. Now the judge just bumped it up to like 46,000. And now you're saying that you have $100,000 on the side just to be petty, just to sue us? How are you gonna sue YouTubers? Like that's the least thing that you should be worried about. Is sending. Hold on. So I'm just thinking. You see how Brother Polight is like kind of trying to threaten YouTubers and trying to intimidate YouTubers? Is this what he's allegedly trying to do with the witness? Because if you keep listening, they're going to be talking about. She said in the beginning that he was trying to contact the witness, allegedly. So is this what he does? He intimidates and try to pump fear into you? Is he pump faking? Very interesting, Brother Polight. You're not so polite.
That's as to that issue. Anything further on that issue? And then we're going to get to the stay away order.
So, Judge, I do think it's important to note that he is a California resident. So I would ask that Your Honor consider that when setting the bonds. Are these standard bonds, Judge?
I do not know what is considered a standard bond on these, but these are the bonds that the court's going to be giving.
Okay. So, no, Judge, I'll be filing a motion to increase bond due to the facts of the case.
Damn.
The other...
She wants to increase the bond. Damn.
In addition to the bond, Judge, it's just a stay away order I think that we need to address today.
Understood. All right, anything further from the defense as to the bonds for right now?
Your Honor, I don't see that the state has laid any grounds for why the bond amount should be increased. We believe
Well, we're not
that
there yet. We're not there yet. There's no discussion right now. That's not what's before the court. The court just is setting bonds on the new counts.
these counts are downfiled. I just want to make that clear from the record, even though there's more of them.
Understood.
So but we would object to the entire bond amount increasing, considering these are downfiled charges.
Okay. Your objection is noted.
Other than that, no, Your Honor.
All right. As it relates to the stay away order, okay. So apparently these are minors. If I can have the defendant sworn.
Mr. Nowak, can you unmute yourself?
Hey, YouTube.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, sir, you can put your arm down. Can you tell me your full name and your date of birth?
Michael Eugene Nope Jr., born August 10th, 1983.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, so you are currently charged under case F21-14438 with several counts involving a minor victim. And the minor victim is identified as T like Thomas, S like Sam. Do you know who that is?
Yes.
All right. Sir, you are ordered that you can have no contact with TS. And when I say no contact, that means no direct contact or indirect contact. Indirect contact includes you cannot communicate with this individual via social media, you cannot call, you cannot text, you cannot reach out to this individual or in some way attempt to communicate through a third person. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right. Now, I will just advise you and admonish you, this means what it says. I do not know whether or not you were given any type of a stay-away order, but as of right now, this stay-away order is in effect in that if you violate any terms of this stay-away order, that may be grounds for your bond status, your pretrial release status to be revoked, and you will be immediately taken into custody. Do you understand that, sir?
Sheesh.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Anything further on that issue from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further from that issue from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right. That is all that the court has before me. Are we done?
Are we done or are we finished?
Garcia?
I believe so, Judge. I just want the defendant to be aware that he should not be posting any social media posts or anything about this case, about the victim in this case. I know that there was a video of the victim leaked on social media. I'm concerned about the victim's, well-being regarding this.
Hey, hold on. Will I get in trouble if I post this video? Please let me know, because I'm not trying to get in any more trouble with YouTube. They already got me on. I do not want to go back to YouTube jail. Will I get in trouble for posting this video? I mean, this is public information. Please let me know. Help me, please. Help me, please.
Case, so I just want to make sure the defendant's well aware that if that happens, we will be filing the appropriate motions to avoid that from happening.
All right. Well, just
May I
so
respond,
it's
Judge?
clear. Yeah, just so it's clear. I just want both sides to know allegations are allegations. I certainly will respond to some type of evidence shown to the court that the defendant has somehow violated the court's order. Now, let me hear from the defense.
Judge,
Hey, brother Polight, boy, you better. Yeah, you were definitely right when you say that you can't speak on this, because they saying, boy, you better not say nothing out in the public. So why are you threatening YouTubers? It seems like you're more worried about being petty and suing YouTubers than you are with the actual court, with the actual case that's going on. My brother, we should be the last people on your mind. And once again, I'm not saying that you're guilty, brother Polight. I'm not saying that you're guilty, but it seems like you have the wrong energy. Like, if you're going to go through with this suing everybody on YouTube, you might want to express that, after this whole thing is done. Because, like, how are you going to sue YouTubers while you're dealing with this? Like, that's a lot of money being thrown around. I sure hope you got the money that you talk about, because this is going to cost you a lot of money. You said you got $100,000 stashed on the side just to be petty, just to sue YouTubers and bloggers. I think that's the wrong approach.
I just want to make clear for the record as well that this arrest, Mr. Nowak has been compliant in his note about this investigation for far before his arrest. Has come down and voluntarily submitted 2 warrants along the way because he has nothing to hide. Any allegations that the state is making about their fear that he might have been tampering or attempting to scare the alleged victim via social media, there's no order saying that he is not allowed to use social media. And I also would like to make clear that it took the state till 4:56 p.m. on the night before the arraignment to file an information here, and a reduced one. If they were so scared, they had ample opportunity to file a motion in the meanwhile, and they failed to do so. So I don't believe that Your Honor has taken into consideration any of the arguments that they've put forth regarding why they believe bond should be increased, because that's inappropriate.
We're not there. I'm not even entertaining it. So let's not even. I don't even want to hear anything about it because nothing's before me as to an increase.
Well, Your Honor has the ability to set the additional counts at ROR.
Well, I'm not. I can tell you I'm not. Based upon the only thing I have in front of me is an information. That's what I've decided as far as the bond is concerned. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less.
Well, we would object to Your Honor taking into consideration any of the statements made by Ms. Garcia in reaching that determination.
Okay. Now, however, I do need to just advise Mr. Nowak, based upon some of the arguments. I don't know what is out there that has been posted, but I will advise Mr. Nowak that if in fact there is evidence shown to the court that you have somehow been responsible for submitting some type of social media involving this victim, you may have a First Amendment right, but it is limited. And if the state can show that this was done with some type of intent to either harass or intimidate a witness, That's serious. So just keep that in mind. You certainly have a First Amendment right, but if you do something that in somehow is intended to intimidate this witness, then the court will listen to what the allegations are and what evidence the state has presented. I think that can be the last word on this matter. I have a December 3rd report date. What is that on for?
I believe that was just for the status, Your Honor, case disposition, regular
Okay,
course.
perfect. All right, as of right now, that's the next date that we have on this case. Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Okay,
Thank you, Your
take
Honor.
care. All right, bye-bye.
There we go. So the next hearing, this is crazy that we all know about this. Please let me know if I'm going to get in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble. If I am, I'll just take this shit down. But I mean, bro, like literally, this is on the internet. Like literally, you can type Brother Polight hearing, and it's on the internet. So like literally, look, just type in Brother Polight hearing, and it's there. Like it's there. It's there. So I just played the full thing. I don't think I'm gonna get in trouble, am I? I hope not. But y'all leave a comment down below. So y'all just heard the full hearing of Brother Polight. They said that they upped the bond to $46,000. He is no longer have any access. He cannot communicate. He cannot threaten. He cannot tamper. He cannot contact the witness at all. He cannot do any social media posts about, intimidation. What else did we learn from this? I think that was about it. So yeah, things about to get spicy, but it's just weird that like he's really harping and really focused on suing YouTubers. Like, I don't know, bro. You seem to be very, very, very extremely cocky, and that may backfire. Like, and I don't have nothing against Brother Polight. I really don't. I don't have nothing against him. If he is guilty of the charges, he needs to be dealt with accordingly. If the young woman is lying, she needs to be dealt with accordingly. Something needs to happen from this on either side. If the young lady is lying, she needs to be dealt with. If Brother Polight is found guilty, he needs to be dealt with. I'm just on the side of justice being served either way. It is what it is. But I'm definitely going to keep y'all up to date. And this is interesting. Woo! Once again, man, subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. And once again, please follow my backup channel. Please follow my backup channel. Click the link down below in the description. Subscribe to my backup channel. And once again, please turn on all notifications. Please, that is so important. Turn on all notifications because I'm about to drop so many videos today. I got so much makeup work I need to do. I'm literally going to be posting like 10 videos today and tomorrow. So I'm about to go into overtime. I'll see y'all later, man. Peace.